carelessness with laptops, losing or misplacing, leaving them in taxis, and so on. Report lost or stolen laptops to your IT provider the moment you realize it's gone, so that they can either leverage any monitoring devices to see if the devices is online or disabled. Remote logins to the company network from the devices. This will prevent access to the internal network by whoever has the laptops. Carelessness with computing devices. Losing or misplacing these devices or using them carelessly so that malware is introduced on organization's network. Being careless with computing devices, laptops, tablets, and smartphones so can cause serious harm to organization and to devices owner. Opening questionable emails. Opening emails from someone unknown or clicking on limits embedded in emails. So, think before you click. Dahil may tinatawag na phishing na ibig sabihin nito ay panloloko na kung saan nakuwang ibigay ng mga users ang kanilang sensitibong impormasyon tulad ng password at mga social security. Careless internet surfing. Accessing questionable websites can result malware and alien software being introduced into the organization's network. When you surf the web, your computer, it's constantly downloading files and in some cases other software so you can use the web to its full capacity. So, mahalagang mag-ingat din sa lumalabas na websites dahil kung minsan ang mga files o program ay isinulat ito ng mga tao na nais magnakaw ng iyong impormasyon o makapinsala pa ito sa iyong computer, tinatawag itong malware or malicious software. Poor password selection in use. Choosing and using weak password. Weak password increase your vulnerability to hackers and intruders and increase the chance of identity theft. Always be sure to use a strong password to secure your device. The general rule of thumb is a password with at least 8 characters that includes a combination letters, uppercase and lowercase, and numbers and symbol. Carelessness with one's office. Unlock desks and filing cabinets when employees go home at night, not logging off the company network when gone from the office for any extended period of time. Logging off secures your computer and files. If your desktop computer not logging off, your files may be written incompletely, and the backup system on your network can copy data files. Carelessness using unmanaged devices. Unmanaged devices are those outside the control of an organization's IT department and company security procedures. These devices include computers belonging to customers and business partners, computers in the business centers of hotels, and computers in Starbucks, Panera Bread, and so on. Being careless on managed devices such as smartphone and guest users' laptops can be a real problem on any network. Kadalasan ay hindi pag-iingat sa device sa pagbabahagi ng files sa lahat ng mga devices ay maaaring humantong ito sa paglabas din ng data. Nang walang control o hindi pag-iingat sa mga apps na ginagamit para sa pag-access, sharing at pag-save ng sensitibong data ng company. Ang impormasyong iyon ay madaling ma-access at ma-share ng iba sa labas ng samahan. This can also lead to increased security threats. Careless with discarding equipment. Discarding old computer hardware and devices without completely wiping the memory includes computers, cell phones, BlackBerry, and digital copiers and printers. Ang pagtatapon ng lumang computer o yung mga electronic equipment ay naglalaman ito ng mabibigat na metal na maaaring magdulot ito ng panganib sa kapaligiran. Careless monitoring of environmental hazard. This hazard, which includes dirt, dust, humidity, and static electricity, are harmful to the operation of computing equipment. Important to clean your computer to prevent dust from decreasing airflow, which can make your computer overheat.
How to clean your monitor. First, get a soft cloth and dampen it with cold water. Second, wipe your monitor downward carefully and gently. Don't press too hard onto the screen. Third, don't leave any water drops that could damage internal components. Social engineering is an attack in which the perpetrator uses social skill to trick or manipulate legitimate employees in providing confidential company information such as password. The most common example of social engineering occurs when the attackers impersonate someone else on the telephone, such as a company manager or an information system employee. Social engineering is a term used for a broad range of malicious activities accomplished through human interaction. It uses psychological manipulation to trick users into making security or giving them sensitive information. Social engineering attacks happen in one or more steps. Two other social engineering techniques are tailgating and shoulder surfing. Tailgating is a technique designed to allow the perpetrator to enter restricted areas that are controlled with locks or card entry. The perpetrator follows closely behind a legitimate employee, and when the employee gains entry, the attacker asks him or her to hold the door.
Is an attacker seeking entry to a restricted area where access is unattended or controlled by electronic access control, can simply walk behind a person who has legitimate access.
Shoulder surfing occurs when a perpetrator watches an employee's computer screen over the employee's shoulder.
Shoulder surfing is when someone watches over your shoulder to know valuable information such as password, ATM PIN, or credit card number.